Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 35 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today we are going to work on something powerful, influencing conversations and expressing your ideas in a way that people listen and respond to you. Because speaking English is not just about talking, it is about making your words meaningful and impactful. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever shared your idea but people did not really respond or engage with you? Maybe your English was correct, but your message was not strong enough. That is what we're going to improve today. Today, you will learn how to speak in a way that influences people naturally. Let me tell you something important. Influencing is not about forcing your opinion. It is about clarity, confidence, and connection. So today, we will focus on how to express your ideas in a strong but natural way. Let's start with a simple idea. Speak with clarity. Do not use long and confusing sentences. Keep your message simple and clear. For example, instead of saying many things, say, I believe practice is important because it helps us improve and build confidence. This is clear and direct. Now let's go deeper. Use persuasive phrases. For example, you can say, I strongly believe, or from my experience. Or, what I have noticed is, these phrases make your speech sound more confident. Now let's practice. Someone asks, why is practice important? You respond, I strongly believe practice is important because it helps us improve faster. And from my experience, consistency makes a big difference. This sounds natural and strong. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Speak with Influence. Choose a topic and express your opinion clearly with a reason. For example, I believe learning English daily is important because it builds confidence and helps us communicate better. Continue and add more. Now, your second exercise is support your idea. Give a simple example. For example, if we practice speaking every day, even for a few minutes, we start to feel more comfortable. This makes your idea stronger. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is connect with the listener. Use phrases like you can see or you might notice, or this can really help you. For example, you can say, you can see how daily practice improves confidence over time. This creates connection. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone says, I do not have time to practice English. You respond, I understand that it can be difficult, but I feel like even a few minutes of daily practice can make a big difference. And you might notice improvement over time. This is natural and persuasive. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is stay calm and confident. Do not rush your words. Speak clearly and with belief. For example, I believe consistency is the key and I am working on it every day. This sounds strong. And now let me share something important. People listen to those who speak with clarity and confidence. Even simple English can be powerful when your message is clear. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 35. That means your English is not just improving. You are learning how to express ideas, influence conversations, and communicate with purpose. This is a high-level skill. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about this topic. Why is improving yourself important? Start, I believe. Improving yourself is important because. Continue. Add reasons and examples. Keep your flow smooth. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Believe in what you say. When you believe your message, your voice becomes stronger. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone says, learning English is too difficult. You respond, I understand that it can feel difficult, but I believe with consistent practice and the right approach, anyone can improve. And over time, it becomes easier. This is confident and natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 35 complete. And this time, write one strong opinion with a reason. Keep it simple, but make it clear. This is Laura, and remember, your words become powerful when you speak with clarity and confidence. I will see you in day 36. Keep going.